Hello guys, this is Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits. In our previous video, I showed you how to install your Metamask wallet extension in your browser. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to continue from that and show you how to set up your fixed wallet on your Metamask wallet extension. Alright, so let's get right into it. I am going to be using my Yandex browser, so I'll open my browser and then I'll go on the extension, click on extension, and I'll click on Metamask. Alright, click on get started, and then it says help us improve Metamask. Alright, I'll click on I agree. It has two options here. It says, are you new to the Metamask? Import wallet or create a wallet. We're going to be creating a new wallet. Alright, so I'll click on create wallet and then it will ask me to enter my password. Alright, so I'll enter my password. I'll enter my password, I'll click on create and I'll allow it to load up. So on this slide it says click here to reveal your secret words. Now your secret recovery phrase is strings of words that makes it easy for you to be able to back up and restore your account. All right, now there's a strict warning that says never disclose your secret phrase to anyone, and anyone with your secret phrase can take your Ether forever. So do well to click here to reveal your secret phrases and then copy them in the order in which they appear here in a piece of paper. You'll be required to enter it in the next page. All right, so once I do that, I'll continue. So take some time to write it down. Now when you successfully enter the phrases in the order in which they were given to you in the previous page, you'll meet this screen when you click on next. All right, so we'll click on all done and then we'll be greeted with this page. All right, I'll have to go back to the mobile version so you see it more clearly. Now this is your first wallet, your first account. You can see your wallet address right there, and then you are actually on the Ethereum main network and mainnet, and you can see your Ethereum balance. Right now you can add tokens. There are no transactions here yet, so this is your account details. So if you want to receive Ethereum tokens into your wallet that you just created, you just have to copy this wallet and give to whoever is going to send you tokens to this wallet. All right, that's pretty much how simple it is to create a wallet on Metamask in your browser extension. All right, so that is all for this video. If you enjoyed this content, please do well to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Let's see you in the next video. In the meantime, remain blessed.